Yes. Yesterday, Mommy gave me a big surprise. It was a pair of brand new ice skates. Do you like them? Mommy asked. I like them, I told her. But there was one thing I did not like. My new skates were not pink. They were not purple or blue or even green. My new skates were boring old white. I can fix that, I said to myself. I got my marker. I picked out the color called cotton candy pink and I colored my skates all over. I was very careful. Ta-da! They looked pink-tastic. Now I loved my new skates and I loved how I looked in my new skates. I could not wait to go to the rink. I would glide and spin. I would be so graceful in my cotton candy skates. We went to the rink the very next day. Your skates, said Mommy. They were pink, said Daddy. Cotton candy pink, I said, and I smiled. Mommy did not exactly smile. Daddy smiled a little, I think. Ready? Asked Daddy. Ready, I said. I was ready to glide and spin. I was not ready to wobble and fall, but that is what I did. I wobbled and fell again and again and again. Ouch! But my sore bottom wasn't the worst part. The worst part was that every time I fell, my cotton candy skates left cotton candy spots and streaks all over the ice. Everyone saw. I started to cry a little. Okay, a lot. Are you alright? Mommy asked. I cry when something hurts too, Daddy said. It's not that, I wailed. Look, I pointed at my trail of cotton candy pink and my wet, messy skates. Mummy smiled at me. The ice is pretty and your skates are one of a kind. Pinkalicios, she said. Just like you. I looked at my skates again. Shades of pink dripped and swirled and soaked all over them. Mummy was right. My skates looked fantastic. I was ready to try again. Daddy skated with me and held on to my hand. This time I didn't wobble and fall. I was very graceful. That was fun, I said when we got home. I am glad, said Mommy, because I signed you up for skating lessons. My new skates and I can hardly wait to go skating again. Baby bear, what do you see? Baby bear, what do you see? I see a red fox slipping by me. Red fox, what do you see? I see a flying squirrel gliding by me. Flying squirrel, what do you see? I see a mountain goat climbing near me. Mountain goat, what do you see? I see a blue heron flying by me. Blue heron, what do you see? I see a prairie dog digging by me. Prairie dog, what do you see? I see a striped skunk standing by me. Striped skunk, what do you see? I see a mule deer running by me. Mule deer, what do you see? I see a rattlesnake sliding by me. Rattlesnake, what do you see? I see a screech owl hooting by me. Screech owl, what do you see? I see a mama bear looking at me. Mama bear, what do you see? I see a red fox, a flying squirrel, a feral dog, a striped skunk, a screech owl, a mountain goat, a blue heron, a mule deer, a rattlesnake, my baby bear looking at me, that's what I see. Pooh and Eeyore. Eeyore is feeling very sad today. He has lost his tail. Eeyore looks up and sees Pooh. "Hello," says Pooh. Eeyore doesn't answer. "What's the matter, Eeyore?" asks Pooh. "I have lost my tail again," says Eeyore. Pooh thinks very hard. He wants to help Eeyore. "We'll all help you find your tail," says Pooh. Pooh asks everyone to help find Eeyore's tail. Piglet, tiger, rabbit, owl, kanga, and roe all began to look. Pooh leads everyone back to the spot where Eeyore lost his tail. He sees Eeyore with his tail. Eeyore, you found it, says Pooh. Kind of you to notice, says Eeyore. Pooh is very confused. The friends are all here, but Eeyore has already found his tail. What should we do now? He says. Tiger says, I have a terrific idea. Let's have a bouncing contest. After the contest, Rabbit says, let's work in my garden. Now, let's read a story, says Owl, pulling out a book. Roo wants to play hide and seek. Let's go back to my house for some homemade cookies, offers Kanga. Hooray! Cries everyone. When the sun sets after a wonderful day, Pooh walks Eeyore home. Eeyore, I'm glad that you are my friend, says Pooh. Gloomy old Eeyore feels very happy. He has his tail, but much more importantly, he has wonderful friends. Oh kids, let's learn alphabets. A. Amazing asteroid. B. Brown bat with big bellies. C. Chocolate car cake. D. Doggy drivers are digger. E. Electric eel. F. Five finger full of fun. G. Giggling girls in the grass. H. Hairy hums. I. Interesting insect inside. J. Jiggling jelly. K. Kids go karting. L. Leaping lambs. M. Making milk and moong. N. Nighttime noise. O. The oven is open. P. Painting picture of people. Q. Quickly queen. R, R, rowing down a rainbow river. S, S, sausages sizzling in the sun. T, T, tippy toes. U, umbrella underpant. V, very, very violet. W, with wings and wheel. X, X-ray. Y, yogurt for a yellow yolk. Z, zebra zip. The wheels on the bus. The wheels on the bus go round and round. The wheels on the car go round and round. The wheels on the van go round and round. The wheels on the motorcycle go round and round. The wheels on the truck go round and round. The wheels on the fire engine go round and round. The wheels on the vehicles go round and round all through my room. Now we will sing Wheels on the Bus poem. Sing with me the wheels on the bus.
Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus go round and round all day long. Horn on the bus goes beep beep beep, beep beep beep, beep beep beep. Horn on the bus
My room is a zoo. When it's time to go to sleep, I put my toys away. I climb in bed and close my eyes and hear my penguin say, "It's too hot in here." Shh, I whisper. No more talk. But cow begins to moo. Then crocodile wants a drink and lizard want one too. And before you know what, my room becomes a zoo. Kangaroo roars inside the closet. Dormouse goes squeak, squeak. Armadillo takes my pillow. Black bear hogs the sheets. Emma wants to have a race, and Ferret hides my toys. Glowworm won't turn off his light, and Hedgehog just make noise. Ibis breaks a drum, boom boom, while Jenku jumps a little chick. And Lark just sings and sings. Kingfisher zips around my room. Minty floats the bathroom as he splashes in the tub, while Narwhal takes my toothbrush and gives his tooth a scrub. Now Owl wants the light turned off, but Possum wants it on. Quetzal goes and fans his feathers, and Rabbit thumps the ground. Sea lion bark and spin a ball, while tree frog climbs my chest. Umbrella bird puff out his throat, and vulture builds a nest. Walrus turns his flippers and flap across my floor, while X-ray tetra swims in circle and Yak began to roar. Is zebra here? Where did he go? I hear a yip and bark. And when I look beneath my bed, I find him in the dark. Okay, enough, I tell my toys. That's altogether too much noise. Playtime over, playtime done. Now back to bed. You have had your fun. I tell my toys one last good night and kiss each on the cheek. Then cuddle up with Bear and Mouse and say, now please let's sleep. You don't need a whole lot to be kind. Kindness pledge. I pledge I don't need a whole lot to be kind. To be caring, to be loving, to be supportive, to be honest, to share with others, to be grateful, to be respectful, to be considerate, to be a friend. You don't need a whole lot to be kind. A smile will do. You don't need a whole lot to be kind. Kindness is keeping others safe. You don't need a whole lot to be kind. Kindness is spending time with a friend. Don't need a whole lot to be kind. Kindness is playing with someone new. You don't need a whole lot to be kind. Kindness is saying sorry when you do something wrong. You don't need a whole lot to be kind. Kindness is saying something nice to someone. You don't need a whole lot to be kind. Kindness is saying please and thank you. You don't need a whole lot to be kind. Kindness is planting a tree. The caterpillar who loved shoes. Cannon the caterpillar didn't have 6 legs like all the other caterpillars. He had 100 legs, and Cannon loved shoes. He loved red ones and blue ones. High ones and practical ones. And luckily, having 100 feet, he could wear all of them at once. There were just 2 little teeny problems. Firstly, some of his legs were so far away. I mean really far. He couldn't even see the end of his body with all these legs, let alone know where to put his feet. The second and the related problem was because some of those feet were so far away, he had never learned to tie his shoes. And even if he knew how to tie his shoes, practical realities being what they were, being one little caterpillar trying all your own shoes would always take a very, very long time. So, what did he rely on to tie up all those shoes that needed trying? His friends who knew how to tie shoelaces and friends who knew how to help. Do you know how to tie shoelaces? You made a loop with one side, the other lace goes towards you, around the garden, and then it wants to come in the gate. Head first, pull on the head, and abracadabra, another loop. Just pull it and you are done. Cannon watched what I just showed you. And now he could see how to tie his shoes. But it was still going to take a very long time because a lot of the shoes he loved had laces. Not all of them, but a lot of them. Luckily, Kenan had so many friends who could help him do the things he didn't find easy. The butterfly, for example, could help push the light little belted slippers on his faraway feet. The butterflies could flutter their wings very fast and push them onto his feet with just the air. His ant friends got together and put the sneakers on. They were also very delicate about lacing them up. Teamwork all the way. His spider friends were fantastic at tying. They had 8 arms so could the floor 4 legs knee-high boots at once. When Spideys got on the job, those shoes went on quick. Little Mouse was quick and careful. She could slide his heels on or nose his toes into flip-flop. When all of Kenan's friends come together, it took only a jiffy to get his shoes on. Now it was time to visit Cousin Worm in his cozy hole. Except when he got there, "Welcome to my house. Please take your shoes off at the door." Oh no! Animal picture book. Bear. Bear is walking in the park. Owl. Owl is looking in the dark. Monkey. Monkey is going on a prowl. Elephant. Elephant is taking a stroll. Parrot. Parrot is singing a song. Toucan. Toucan is hopping along. Hippo. Hippo is standing still. Flamingo. Flamingo is standing on a hill. Penguin. Penguin is taking a stroll. Polar bear. Polar bear is ready to roll. Turtle trouble. Mom asked me, why is the floor in my room all wet? I don't know, I said. Mom then saw the bucket I had hidden in the bathtub. What's this bucket doing here? She asked. I don't know, I said. Mom then picked up the turtle that I had hidden in the bathtub. And what's this turtle doing here? She asked. I don't know, I said. Buckets and turtles don't just get in my bathtub on their own, said Mom. The truth was that I had found the turtle in the garden and was getting some water for him. Then I spilled the water all over the floor. I don't want any more time outs. I don't want Mom to be upset. So I told Mom that I wasn't going to put Turtle in her bathtub anymore. She wasn't upset about the turtle, but she was unhappy because I didn't tell her the truth. I would have helped to take care of the turtle, said Mom. Think, think, think. Oh, I got it! Telling the truth works much better than lying. I'll try that the next time. Tell the truth or cover up. What will he do?